first was yes to. Hello world, this is a global announcement.
The world is changing fast. Children are growing up in a world of climate instability, accelerating AI and global tension. We didn't create these systems, but we are definitely inheriting them. And we will help shape what comes next.
So we decide to respond.
ReGeneration26, April 16th to 17th, 2026.
Here at Green School Bali and around the world.
The largest youth-led regenerative conference ever held. Created by young people.
Designed by young people.
Led by young people.
We are starting a conversation, and it's an important one. Regeneration is not recycling more politely, greenwashing old system, or asking young people to carry more weight. Sustainability asks how we reduce damage. Regeneration asks how we restore life. Regeneration is rebuilding relationships with each other and with the living world, shifting from extraction to collaboration, creating space to think, question, and reconnect, and designing systems where life can thrive.
Over 2 days, this campus will transform. Hundreds of school-age students of more than 50 nations, delegates from schools across Indonesia and all over the world. We also have satellite events in Hong Kong, USA, and Australia, and more.
Here's what we're building.
An opening keynote with Clover Hogan.
A UNESCO youth campus,
Lightning Talks Youth to Youth.
climate cafes with force of nature,
Panels on AI, well-being, biodiversity, power.
art performance culture.
A festival of future, a celebration of hope.
This isn't about having all the answers.
It's about asking better questions.
Together.
We're supported by organizations that believe youth leadership matters now. UNESCO, WWF, Jane Goodall Foundation, National Geographic, Sungai Watch, and more. They're not here to speak for us, they're here to stand beside us.
Let's talk. Eco-anxiety, future anxiety, the pressure to prepare for jobs that don't yet exist. ReGeneration26 is not about saving the world in 2 days. It's about building connections, starting conversation, and remembering we're not alone in this.
To every young person watching, we see you.
We understand the complexity.
We feel the weight.
We see the possibilities.
This is mycelia, our messenger for connection. Because everything is connected, when one part of a system shifts, the whole network feels it. Let's shift together.
Your voice is not just a future voice. It is a present force, and you are invited.
To adults watching, stand beside us. Share the responsibility, help create the condition where young people can lead.
We may not have all the answers.
But we know this much. The future should be something
Reshape.
Together.